Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll explore structured data in Gridbox and learn how to add schema markup to your website. Structured data provides additional information about your content, such as articles, products, organizations, events, and other types of structured information. By implementing structured data, you can improve how your pages appear in search results and become eligible for rich results and enhanced search features.
To access structured data settings, open the Page Settings and navigate to the SEO section. Then switch to the Schema Markup tab. Gridbox gives you complete flexibility when working with structured data. Simply generate the required schema markup using a third-party tool, then customize it with Gridbox data tags. Also, don't forget about default SEO settings in Gridbox. For example, if you're adding schema markup for an e-commerce store, it's often best to configure it in the default SEO settings using data tags. This allows a single schema markup template to be automatically applied across all product pages, while dynamically inserting product-specific information such as the product name, description, price, image, and other available data. As a result, you can maintain consistent structured data across your store without having to configure schema markup for each product individually. With Gridbox, you can easily create dynamic schema markup using data tags and apply it to your content with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.